9. At 9:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time. High wind warning in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening for the counties of Denton and Wise. These strong winds are caused by weak showers and storms in the area, which are bringing strong winds from above the surface down to the ground. Timing, now through 11 p.m. winds. South winds with gusts over 60 miles per hour impacts. Strong winds will knock down trees, power lines, and cause minor structural damage. Wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts in excess of 58 miles per hour are likely. Winds this strong can lead to property damage, knock down trees and power lines. Seek a sturdy shelter away from windows until winds subside.